Let's turn it off real quick. Let's turn it off real quick. You got it? Yeah.
Oh no, it's locked. It's locked. No way.
All right, here we are for another one. We got ourselves a 2002 F150 Super Crew. As you can see, it's got 241,000 miles. Does that scare you? It's got the, what is it, 5.4 liter V8 Triton motor. And I mean, as you can tell, it's not in bad condition. Physically, there's no real body damage at all. The real scare factor is right there, the big old M on the windshield. That stands for mechanical damage. That means when they turned this over, it ran and drove, but it didn't do so well. We'll find out why in just a minute, but meanwhile, let's take a quick glance around the car, see if there's any quite surprises, see if the rear end of the car is missing like my truck. Got ourselves some ropes. Use that to tow the thing home if it doesn't work out so well. But yeah, it's looking really good. You got some taillights that might need to be replaced, but that's a dime a dozen. Might as well buy some aftermarket ones like that.
Antenna? That's an antenna.
It
goes right there.
What, a CB radio?
Right there, yeah. Right there.
Let's fix this. All right, it's already worth more.
All right.
All right, well, let's check out the inside real quick. Here, I love the 4-door version right here. You just get up in the mountains. I mean, the tint's probably got to be redone.
For sure.
This is a Walmart job right here.
Or a Tony job.
Or Tony.
Oh.
Well, thank God the back door's unlocked. The front door. Tell you what, we're gonna have to get a little creative. I'll get back with you.
Whoa.
All right, well.
Makes weird sounds.
Something's interesting with the unlocking mechanism. That's something to keep in mind. All right, well, the inside looks like 240,000 miles. Look at this rank of cigarettes. Ugh.
Really? It looks like you've got, is this trailer brake hookups? I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, a bunch of plugins. So I bet it's the CB radio plugins right here.
That's trailer brake hookups?
Yeah. Oh, here's more plugins for it. All right, well, I mean.
Cool stereo.
Yeah, it's a little dirty, but it's just a little work vehicle, you know? Let's see how it works.
See if it turns over.
It turns over.
Right over.
As you can tell with the mechanical damage, something's sounding wrong.
Let's pop it.
Let's find out why. Yeah, pop the hood. Looks like it's gonna take 2 people. Another advantage of bringing a friend. That's not a good sign. Ooh. All right, well, let's turn it off real quick. Let's turn it off real quick. Ooh. You got it, Ant?
It's locked.
Oh no! No way. The whole thing? Oh, the back door. Okay. No, I got it. Jessica, it's all right. Don't worry about her. We got it. Okay, Jessica. Are you able to climb in there?
Holy.
This is why you bring someone small with when the car automatically locks you out.
Oh God.
Get her in there.
Get in. Kill it.
Last thing you want is be responsible for locking yourselves out of the car.
Don't let Tony get in the car again.
We'll edit the fact that Anthony did that out.
No, we know who did it.
That's something to consider. The car locks by itself. That's never good. Thank you, Jessica, for your help. Let's go get a closer look at why that was running so bad. All right, well, let's get this thing.
You saved the day, congrats.
Yeah, all right, let's see why this thing is spitting some stuff out. I mean, that's not good. Look how wet the engine is right now. That's not good.
It's not.
And something in there is just shooting out what appears to be coolant.
Well, it smells like coolant.
Yeah.
Or is it gas now? It smells like gas.
It still smells like coolant.
It does. I smell it. It smells strong.
I mean, it could be just something as simple as a seal, honestly. But yeah, man, I mean, that's something to consider. It says mechanical damage, but it clearly drives. It just drives with some issues. We'll let you know what it goes for. Let's get to the next one.
If you have ever experienced coolant spraying from your fuel injector, let us know in the comments.
All right, you guys, now we got ourselves a 2001 F150 Super Crew. This one's only got 133,000 miles. It retails for about $7,200. And it's got some rear end damage according to Copart. Let's go check it out. Let's first off notice that there's quite a gap right here on the bed. Slightly hit, obviously it's hit pretty hard. Look, they marked it all up. You got a good ding right here. You got some invisible ding right here that they saw. Let's see if it opens. That's a good little thing to indicate. That opens and closes. As far as I'm concerned, it's a working truck, if it works. See if it works. Oh, this is the Lariat version. That comes at a price tag. Again, if I mention it, this is the 5.4 liter V8 version. So this will get the job done. Step in the nice running boards it comes with. It's pretty clean on the inside. It was a non-smoker. You got yourselves a sunroof after it pinches the crap out of me. Well, let's get her turned over. We got 2 keys with it. That's an extra bonus.
Oh, we got 0 miles.
Oh, we got 133,000 miles.
Ooh.
Turns right over.
Nice.
So all you got is a back end damage a little bit.
Let's see if it drives.
We're gonna put it forward. We're gonna put it backward. I don't care if this is a 2001. This is driving like a brand new truck.
Yeah.
Let's pop the hood and look under it. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, the Lariat version, all it does is come with a nicer interior and a sunroof for this version of the car. But hey, if it's worth more, you could ask for more. Look at that engine. Hey, look, it's not squirting things out like the 2002. This is gas, not diesel. It's the F150, you guys, not the 250 and up. Only some 250s have the diesel. But yeah, this is a clean engine, man. This is
really nice.
This is really nice. Whoever had this car did a great job taking care of it. The alternator looks practically brand new in that thing. Looks like it's straight out of the shop, honestly. I mean, it's the cleanest thing in this engine. But that's okay. We could check out the oil possibly. Then we'll check under the cap. I mean, honestly, we don't even need, this car drives so nice. I mean, I'd be a fool to think anything would be wrong with it. You got transmission fluid you can check. That's good. That's rare in vehicles nowadays. That's looking brand new. I'm gonna play a balancing game of getting it back in the hole. All right, I'm not sure where the oil dipstick is, but I mean, you can clearly see it's good oil under the cap. I'm not gonna question it. This is a perfectly running vehicle. And if I can win it at a good price, it'll sell at a good price. This is just another good, awesome vehicle that you could buy here at Copart. Let's check out another one.
What's the going price right now?
Going price right now is, unfortunately, already at $1,200 right now. Copart has it worth $7,200. Auction isn't here, and people tend to get crazy when it's the day of the auction. So, I mean, I would hope to get this truck for about $3,000. And given that price, you could probably easily sell it for $4,000, maybe even $5,000. I'd ask for $5,000. I'd be happy to take the first offer of $4,000 and take $1,000 home with me. Find another one. Oh, speaking of another one, in fact, these are another 2 that I want. Here we are, you guys. Another F150, who would have guessed? This is a 1998 Ford F150. This is the extended cab, not the crew cab, but you do got some back seats to work with. You got 223,000 miles, and apparently all there is some body damage, and you kind of get a good idea of what it is right now. You got some nice dents right here that happened somehow. Follows through a little bit into the door handle right here. You got a nice fender that's going to be completely replaced, but you know what, junkyard's just a dime a dozen. You got the mirror missing right here. You got the windshield cracked up a bit. Honestly, the way it looks like maybe someone got hit with a golf ball driving too close to the golf course and drove into the side rail. All right, well, so there's no surprises. Let's check out the rest around the car real quick. Last thing you want is to check out a car, get your hopes up, and find out the entire right side's missing. It is possible.
That happens.
But overall, this thing's looking pretty good. I like it. Let's hope the inside is even better than the outside. The inside of this is amazing. I love it. It smells good. It feels good. I love the cloth interior. It's actually in good condition for 223,000 miles. I think the steering wheel is definitely, it's got 223,000 miles in it, that's for sure. Let's see how well it drives. You got a nice aftermarket stereo. Someone liked this truck. Someone used it well.
Starts.
And it still works.
Heck yeah. Whoop. Why is it smoking?
What's smoking? It's probably just a bunch of dust getting stirred up. I tell you what, I'm gonna
shut it off and start it again.
All right. Right?
Yep. Now the front's smoking.
I tell you what, we'll check it out in just a second. I'm gonna drive it forward and backward, and then we'll check up under the hood.
Whoa, it smells. Yep.
You know, I will notice that it definitely has that flat tire, doesn't it?
Yeah. It just yeah, it's just hitting the hole.
All right, so this is a flat tire?
Yeah, it just went in a dip.
All right, well, let's check under the hood. I'm loving this so far. So far, the bid's only at about $650 on this one. And if I recall, the retail for this is only about, I think, 6 or 7. Whether it is worth that much, don't account for that, people. Look at Kelley Blue Book, look at other value sites. There are good ways to determine what a car is worth. Check even Facebook. All right, but it does give you a rough idea of what it might be worth. Ooh. And this is looking pretty good. I mean, a little bit oily, a little dirty, but for 200,000+ miles, it's looking very good. You got some corrosion on the battery.
Why is it kicking up so much damn dust?
All the spider webs, what's up?
This right here, this hit, because the intake's right there. If it's
Oh, you think it might have messed up the intake right here?
Well, because that's where it's sucking the air.
We're putting so much work into this, guys, because we are interested. We like these trucks. They turn over well here.
A lot of air. Holy moly. Damn. You guys see that? Woo. Crazy.
So why do you got so much air shooting out from under the engine? All right, well, you know what? Just something to find out later when you buy the car. Hopefully it scares other people. Hopefully it doesn't scare you. If it does, there's plenty of other trucks to check out.
If you guys want to see us win this exact truck, watch us go pick it up and even fix this Ford F-150, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments if you would buy the first truck in this episode of Wrecked Ventures.
Does that scare you? It might scare me, but I'm never smart enough to care.
I can pull from in case something crazy happens and I trip. You can go ahead and hold it at different angles too if you want. Not like that, no. I meant like low.
Thanks to Tony. Get us kicked out of here permanently.
You know what? Actually, we're popping up the spare tire out, but we're going to kind of use this to rig up the hood a little bit.
Look at that.
I can't believe it locked us out like that.
Can you imagine if that wasn't there? What would we have done?
We would have ran.
Swore up and down. Wasn't that?